Today I will show you how you can easily bake your own sourdough bread. The pre-ferment is prepared 14 hours in advance. Mix the following ingredients: 60 g sourdough starter, 227 g wholemeal rye flour, and 227 ml lukewarm water. You can find my sourdough starter recipe at the top right corner. Close the box and let the pre-ferment rest for about 14 hours at 20 -30 77 irons 86. This makes your bread really tasty. 14 hours later, day of preparation. Mix 2 tablespoons of warm water. With 18 g of fresh yeast and 9 g sugar. Cover the glass with plastic wrap and let the mixture rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. The yeast absorbs the sugar and becomes active. Put the following ingredients into a large bowl. The pre-ferment bread starter, (681 g all-purpose or bread flour), the activated yeast, (17 g soft butter), 17 g salt, and 372 ml water. You have to knead all ingredients carefully. The gluten can unfold and the dough becomes stronger and more elastic. I use a kneading machine and knead slowly for about 3 minutes and a little faster for 3 minutes. If your dough is too runny, then add a little bit of flour. This is exactly how your dough should look like. You don't need a kneading machine. The dough can also be processed by hand. The process then takes a little bit longer. When the dough is elastic, form a ball and place the dough in a bowl. Cover the dough with cling film and a cotton cloth, and leave it for 1 hour to rest at room temperature. One hour later, degust the dough with your whole palms. Fold the dough and stretch it to tighten it. Form the dough into a ball again, and put it back in the bowl for 1 hour. After 2 hours, the dough can be portioned into 2 equal pieces. Shape both pieces into a coarse loaf of bread, cover and let them rest for 15 minutes. Cover the loaf pan with butter and sprinkle them with flour so that the bread does not stick to the loaf pan. Now the loaf gets its final shape. Place the 2 loaves of bread into the loaf pan and cover it for 1 to 1.5 hours. Now you can bake your bread. A water bowl ensures the optimum humidity for a perfect growth of the bread. Bake at 220-428 top and bottom heat for about 47 minutes. Tip: if the bread gets too dark, set the oven to bottom heat. This bread looks so delicious, what do you think? Finally, let the bread cool down. I love freshly baked bread with butter and salt. Do you have any questions? Then feel free to comment my recipe. Bon appetit!